The man who invented the sewing machine was a true genius. When we sew by hand, we need to pass the needle from one side of the fabric to the other. But in sewing machines, we only see the needle piercing one side, and yet the stitch is locked quickly and precisely. The secret lies in an innovative needle created 175 years ago by Isaac Singer. Tired of the struggles of hand sewing, he developed a completely new needle design, a double-pointed tip with the eye near the base. This eliminated the need to rotate the needle constantly, a brilliant idea that's still used in modern machines today. However, Isaac faced a major obstacle. Even with the eye near the tip, when pulling the needle out of the fabric, the thread would come out as well, undoing the stitch. The solution came from a clever detail. As the needle pierced the fabric, it formed a loop underneath. On the next descent, the needle would pass through this loop, creating a continuous chain of stitches. This method became known as chain stitching. But there was another challenge: how to hold the loop underneath in place. In 1857, two brilliant solutions emerged. One, a fixed hook at the base of the machine, which caught the loop at the exact moment, allowing the needle to pass through it again. Two, a rotating hook, which became popular in various models. However, chain stitching had a serious flaw. If even one stitch came loose, the entire seam would unravel. To solve this, the two-thread system was created. One main thread passed through the needle, and another came from a bobbin placed beneath the fabric. When the needle pierced the fabric, the second thread interlaced with the upper loop, forming what's called a lock stitch, which prevents the seam from coming undone. Over time, the bobbin system was improved, making the process even more practical. But one last issue remained: how to move the fabric automatically. In early machines, the fabric had to be adjusted manually after every stitch, a slow and error-prone process. The solution was genius. A presser foot pressed the fabric against a metal plate with tiny grooves, similar to a washboard. Each time the needle rose, the plate would slide slightly, moving the fabric forward smoothly and accurately for the next stitch. This simple yet brilliant mechanism is so effective that it's still used in all modern sewing machines today.